Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving straight into how to create dependency relationships between tasks, a crucial element in successful project management. The first step is to identify your tasks. This means listing out everything that needs to be done in your project. The reason we do this is to get a clear overview and to avoid missing out on any important tasks. Now that we've done that, the next step is to determine the order of the tasks. This helps us understand which tasks need to be completed before others can start. For example, if you're building a house, you can't install the roof before building the walls. Once you've determined the order, it's time to create the dependencies. This can be done in most project management software by linking tasks together. The reason we do this is to visualize the sequence of tasks and their relationships, and to ensure that tasks are being completed in the correct order. Now, let me explain why this matters. Creating dependencies between tasks allows for a more efficient workflow. It helps in avoiding bottlenecks and can give you a clearer picture of the project timeline. Finally, monitor and adjust as necessary. As the project progresses, it may be necessary to change the dependencies. This allows for flexibility and adaptation to any unforeseen changes in the project. And that's it. Creating dependency relationships between tasks isn't too complex, but it's definitely crucial for efficient project management. By implementing these steps, you'll have a well-structured project timeline in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.